Good morning, student. We are studying our first chapter, electric charge and field. Electric charge and field. In previous class, we study about static electricity. Static electricity. Then electric charge. Then unit of electric charge. And also types of charge. These topics we studied in our previous class. First is static electricity, second is electric charge, third is types of charge, and fourth is unit of electric charge. Our next topic is methods of charging. Methods of charging. Then we study today the topic methods of charging. But there are three types of methods of charging, but mainly we study the 2 points. First is by rubbing. By rubbing or friction. By rubbing or friction, and second is charging by induction. By induction. The first method of charging is by rubbing or friction, and the second method of charging is induction. Charging by induction. बेटा अब आएगा फर्स्ट टॉपिक, and the first topic is by rubbing and friction. Charging by friction. The first topic of is the charging by friction. Charging by friction. What is charging by friction? Then but friction ये हमने 11th क्लास में पढ़ा. When two surfaces of bodies, we have two bodies, and the surface of all two bodies are in contact, then the force applied between the contact surface which resists the motion is called friction. The force applied between the surfaces of body which resist the motion is called friction. Here we have two bodies. Let us consider we have two bodies. First is glass rod, and second is silk cloth. At present, the whole bodies are in uncharged condition. Is in uncharged condition. When we rub the glass rod with silk cloth, then the electric charge generated on both bodies with the help of friction. So when we rub glass rod with silk cloth, then both are charged. Both are charged because of friction by rubbing. When we rub two objects to each other, then friction is generated, and electric charge is also generated between the bodies The glass rod is charged with positive charge. Positive charge. And the silk cloth is charged with negative charge. Negative charge. These both charges are in same magnitude, but opposite nature. Opposite nature means if 5 coulomb plus 5 coulomb average, 5 coulomb charge germinated on a glass rod, then 5 coulomb charge also germinated on silk cloth, but this charge is negative and this charge is positive, means the magnitude of both charges are same, but the nature of both charges are different, opposite. If one is positive, then other is negative. This method is called charging by friction. Take next example. If we have two bodies, first is cat skin and second is ebonite rod. First is cat skin and second is ebonite rod. When we rub the cat skin with ebonite rod, then the cat at first both are uncharged condition. When we rub the cat skin with ebonite rod, then both are charged and the cat skin is charged with positive charge. And the ebonite rod is charged with negative charge when we rub each other. So it means when two objects or two bodies are rubbed with each other, then friction applied between the bodies, and with the help of this friction, electric charge is generated on the bodies. Means both bodies are charged with same magnitude charges but opposite nature charges. If one body is charged with positive charge, then the other body is charged with negative charge. This method is called charging by friction. And the next method is charging by induction. Charging by induction. Then charging by induction. There are two types of charging by induction. At first we study the first point. Let us consider a uncharged body. What is an uncharged body? The uncharged body is a body in which same positive and negative charges is available, or the total charge of the body is zero. If the total charge of this body is zero, then it is called uncharged body. Means if we have 4 positive charges in the body, then also we have 4 negative charges in the body. In the body we have 4 positive charges apply and 4 negative charges apply. then the total charge of the body is 0. 4 positive and 4 negative, total क्या होगा? 4 minus 4 equal to 0. Then the body is called uncharged body. तो charging by induction, there are two types of charging by induction. First क्या था आपके पास? If we have uncharged body, या uncharged object, we put a charged body near the uncharged body. क्या करेंगे हम? एक चार्ज बॉडी को किसके पास लेकर आएंगे? इस अनचार्ज बॉडी के पास लेकर आएंगे. तो इसका मीन्स क्या होगा? ये देखो, ये है ग्लास रोड, और ग्लास, द चार्ज ऑफ ग्लास रोड इज पॉजिटिव. तो ये हो गई चार्ज ग्लास रोड and the charge is positive. When we take the charged glass rod near the uncharged body, then this is positive charge, and according to Benjamin Franklin, opposite charges are attract each other and same charges are repel each other. तो then यहाँ पे ये this is positive charge, ये अट्रैक्ट करेगा, ही अट्रैक्ट नेगेटिव चार्जेस, एंड इन अनचार्ज्ड बॉडी देयर आर 4 नेगेटिव चार्जेस which is attracted by the charged glass rod, and according to Benjamin Franklin, same charges are repelled. Here this is positive, and in the body there are 4 positive charges which are repelled. Then these are repelled. Okay. Next, if we ground the uncharged body, if we ground the uncharged body, then ground the uncharged body. Ground. Here the positive glass rod is available. Charge glass rod. The charged glass rod attract negative charge and repel positive charge. Then the negative charge is available here and the positive charge is available the other side of the body, because the glass rod repel the positive charge. अब ये जो नेगेटिव चार्ज ये अट्रैक्ट है and the positive charge is repel. अब when we ground the uncharged body, then the positive charge which are repelled by the glass rod is take in the ground, and the negative charge which is attracted by the body glass rod is available in the uncharged body. Means the positive charge are grounded and the negative charge which is attracted with the glass rod is available in the uncharged body. And next we take away the glass rod, then the negative charge is available in the uncharged body. At first the body is uncharged, means there the charge of the body, the total charge of the body is 0. When we take a charged glass rod near the uncharged body, then the positively charged glass rod attract negative charge and repel positive charge. When we grounded the uncharged body, then all positive charges are grounded. Then only negative charge is available on the body, and at this condition the body is charged with negative charge, means the body is charged, and this method is called charging by induction. Means if we take a charged body near the uncharged body, then with the help of charged body the uncharged body is also charged, and this method is called induction. This method is called induction, and it is the first type of induction. The second type of induction is the second type of induction. So second type of induction is, let us consider a uncharged body. Uncharged body means there are same charges, same positive and negative charges available in the body, or the total charge of the body is 0. Let us consider 4 positive charges available on the uncharged body, then 4 negative charges is also available at the uncharged body. This body is called uncharged body, which is neutral भी बोल सकते हो आप इसको. The total charge of this body is 0, then it is called uncharged body. Next, second step इसका क्या आएगा? ये हो गया इसका फर्स्ट स्टेप. When we take a glass rod near this and contact the glass rod with the uncharged body. In previous step, a previous method, we take the charged body near the uncharged body, and in this method we contact the charged body, and this is charged glass rod. We contact the charged glass rod with uncharged body. At this condition, the charged glass rod is positively charged, and it attracts negative charges and distract or repel positive charges. Okay. In this type of method, when two bodies are in contact, then the electric charge is transferred between each other. According to Benjamin Franklin, when two bodies are in contact, then the charge is transferred between each other, and the charge transferred at that time, then the total charge of both bodies are same. मतलब अगर दोनों बॉडीज का जो चार्ज है जब तक वो सेम नहीं होगा, जब तक चार्ज आपस में क्या होगा, ट्रांसफर होगा एक बॉडी से दूसरी बॉडी में, यानी कि मैक्सिमम चार्ज से मिनिमम चार्ज की हो. एट दिस कंडीशन द चार्ज ग्लास which is contact with uncharged body. Contact with uncharged body gave some charges to the uncharged body. At first there are 4 negative charges and 4 positive charges. When he contact with a charged body, then charged body gave some charges of ion to the uncharged body, and here is positive charges. Then let us consider he gave 3 positive charge to the uncharged body, and after that we remove the charged glass rod here. Then at this condition we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 7 positive charges and 1 2 3 4 4 negative charges. At this condition, one positive charge is cancelled by one negative charge. Then this positive negative cancel, this positive negative cancel, this positive negative cancel, and this positive negative cancel. Here we have also three positive charges which are not cancelled by negative charge. Means at this condition the uncharged body is charged by positive charge. And it is the second method of charging by induction. In first method, the charged body is put near the uncharged body. It did not take its charge to the uncharged body. And in second method, which is called Chalan method, in second method, the charged body gave its own charge to the uncharged body and the uncharged body is charged. In the first method of induction, if we take positive charges, then the uncharged body is charged with negative charge. And in the second method, if we take positive charge near the uncharged body, then the uncharged body is charged with also positive charge. Means the method in induction method, the first method when we did not contact the charged body with the uncharged body, then both are charges with opposite charges. If the charged body is positive, then the uncharged body is negative. And if the charged body is negative, then the uncharged body is positive. And in the second method, which is called Chalan method, conductor method, in second method, when the charged body is positive, then the uncharged body is also charged by positive charge. And if the charged body is negative, then the uncharged body is also charged by negative charge. Means if charged body and uncharged body has same charges in Chalan method or conductor method, which is a part of induction. And in induction, in induction both bodies are charged with opposite charges. The next topic of our this chapter is properties of electric charge, and we read the properties of electric charge in our next class. Thank you.